$1,000 per day, or 500 to $1,500 US per day with TikTok affiliate marketing. Now, as you watch this video over here, you can see I'm right now over here in my TikTok account, and I'm going to show exactly how you can leverage free traffic or organic traffic and also paid advertising. I'm saying faceless TikTok channel, but you don't have to show your face, okay? You don't have to make your own videos, but you can leverage UGC, you can leverage other people, you can leverage 5 to 25 US dollars per day on TikTok ad spend to get these kind of results. As you can see over here, in the last 28 days, 750,000 views. Imagine this. Imagine getting 750,000 views. That's all free traffic, organic traffic, eyeballs, audiences of people who are interested in topics like manifestations, making money, weight loss, dating, and so on and so forth, right? So if you go further here, I'm going to show over here, right? You can reach out to me later on my Instagram over here. As you can see, I'm going to show you here. You can reach out to me, you can follow me, you can DM me, but only if you're serious. If you want to have these kind of results, as you can see over here. Now, I'm not bragging. I'm just showing you what is possible once you take Clickbank, affiliate marketing, or promoting other people's product like Digistore, MaxWeb, right? It doesn't matter what affiliate networks you're using. All this is possible once you become serious and trying to promote really, really great products in highly lucrative niches, okay? So let me show over here how this is done. As you can see over here, right, when we are promoting offers on Clickbank, or when you're an affiliate promoting using TikTok ads, it's important to remember this. This is your product, your offer, and this is the bridge. We want to get people, we want to get audiences, the person, the prospect, from point A to point B, okay? So they're here, they have a problem, okay? They have a pain, they want to solve it. So what you have to make sure, my friend, as you watch this video right now, you're listening to my voice, you have to make sure that on your ClickFunnels landing page, on your blog, on your pre-sale page, you pre-sell 5 points to the prospect. I'm always teaching and showing exactly to my students or my clients exactly how this is done. The positioning, mechanics, mechanism is very important, right? And offer. So once you have the copywriting done to the zero, then you can get really good results, because it's all about message to the market match. You see, my friend, you need to have the right message to the audience. Otherwise, you're losing time, you're losing money. I know many gurus have told you it's easy, you can just throw some spaghetti on the wall and hope it sticks. No, it's a scam. It's bullshit. It doesn't work like that. Once you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, and hand holding you along the way, then you, my friend, you can get these kind of results. As you can see over here, we have low emotional states. This is the person. There is the big wall. They have a problem, and then wholeness, your offer, right? We solved it. We solved the pain, the problems. So we put them with our ads on TikTok or Google or Facebook or YouTube into the problem state, and from the problem state they get through 5 points into the solution state when they go on Clickbank, watch VSLs, video sales letters, and buy the product, right? That's how it works. So as you can see over here, right, for example, if you're spending money on TikTok or Google or Facebook ads, you have to understand the math. So what is the math? Okay, is this. Usually the product gonna be $37 front end on Clickbank, right? So you're gonna get $37 commission, and then upsell for $67, and then the next upsell for $200. So you can make, my friend, you can earn $300 from one sale. From one person who buy the whole funnel, whole top of the funnel, you make $300 US net profit in affiliate commissions on Clickbank. Okay, how much you have spent per ads? Let's say you spent $50 US. No, let's say $70 per ad. You spent $70 US and you made $300 back. It means you have just made $230 US in profit in one day from one person, one click. You see how it works. Once you understand how the math works and how it all adds up with upsell take rate, then you, my friend, you can start generating really great results. Okay, so as you can see over here, we have low emotional states, high emotional states audiences. We have problem states, or we put people in the problem state because they are already solution aware, problem aware, or they are totally unaware. Okay, so if you're wondering, oh, I'm afraid of all the competition on Clickbank, you don't have to worry. Why? Because as I showed before, if you remember, you have 5 stages of different audiences, and once you know how to position your copy, your offer, your product correctly, then use the hook and mechanism, you will be able to get really great results. And again, it's not your fault. If you have tried before, it's not your fault because I know how you feel. I used to be there. I used to be struggling until I realized I need someone who can help me one-on-one, step-by-step, hand-holding me to give me the right templates, the right results over the Zoom call to show me how ads and everything is correctly set up. Okay, so again, as you watch this video, what you can do next is you can reach me on my Instagram, my WhatsApp, my email, my Facebook. Everything is in the description below. All right, so as you watch this video, if you're really serious and you're smart, and I know you are because you're still here together with me, you will be able to finally be able to once for all to get results online. Again, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment below if you need any more support.